Okay, what we have here is actually a physics question. Okay, let's look at the question. A point charge 2 times 10 raised to a power of minus 7 coulomb experiences a force of 0.01 Newton in a uniform electric field. Calculate the magnitude of the strength of the field. Let's go to the solution. Okay, and let's interpret the question. A point charge. In this case, you have been given a charge Q to be equal to 2 times 10 raised to a power of minus 7 coulomb. Okay, experiences a force of, that means your F is equal to 0.01 Newton. So you can take this to standard form. If you take this to standard form, it is equivalent to saying 1.0 times 10 raised to a power of minus 2 Newton. And you are asked to calculate the magnitude of the strength of the field, which is E equal to nothing. Okay, using the formula, okay, now the formula for this issue is that the strength of the field is defined by the charge, is defined by the force per the charge, which is equal to, what is your force? Your force is 1.0 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2, and your Q was given to be this, which is 2.2 times 0, 2 times 0, with 2 times 10 raised to the power of minus 7. Okay, now if you use your calculator very well, it will give you the answer, but let's show you what to do. 1.0 divided by 2. 1.0 divided by 2 will give you 0.5 times, okay, this is 10 and 10. We have, according to the law of indices, we have 10. You pick the base. Now you work with the index, which is minus 2. Division's law says minus, so you have another minus 7 here. Okay, 0.5 times, now you now have 10 raised to the power of minus minus is plus, so minus 2 plus 7 should be 5. Okay, once you have your 5, now you can now use your calculator to multiply 0.5 times this. It will give you nothing but 50,000. Okay, to give you 50,000, you can take it to standard form. So 50,000, now the unit is actually, you can say Newton per coulomb, or you can also say volt per meter. It's still the same thing. So any of the two formula that you use is still the same. So you can take your answer to standard form, it's still the same thing. So the standard form will be 5.0 times 10 raised to a power of 4 volts per meter. As simple as this. I believe the solving is very clear. Very clear. Very clear. So what I want you to do for me right now is for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then share the video. Thank you.